Hello, Aaron here. I have PDD, autism, Tourette syndrome, and OCD. Also, I'm mentally disabled and have learning disabilities. I'm first grade level reading, second grade level math, and I'm mentally first grader age. Also, because of medications I take for my mental disabilities, I have a rapid heartbeat, but I take medications for my rapid heartbeat. Also, I have fears of a crowd, loud sounds, and yes, when people ask me over to their house, I don't know how to respond in that sort of situation. Also, it's hard for me to interact with others. Also, autism is kind of like a brain delay that affects social interaction. And autism makes it hard to process what other people are saying. Also, autism makes it hard to process other people hugging and kissing. And autism makes it hard to process other people holding hands. Also, just to let you know, autism makes sure people are anxious around large crowds and loud sounds, and autism makes sure people are anxious wearing backpacks. Also, just to let you know, autism makes sure people are anxious at school all day, and autism makes sure people are anxious on the school bus. Also, just to let you know, autism makes sure people are anxious when fire alarms are going off at school. Also, just to let you know, autism makes sure people are anxious when they're eating down at the cafeteria at school. Also, just want to let you know, autism makes sure people have a hard time tying shoes and buttoning shirt collars. Also, just want to let you know, the signs of autism are lack of social skills, lack of eye contact, lack of speech, and lack of communication. Please subscribe.